In this video, I will show you how to stop receiving unknown numbers, messages, or call on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, go and open your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Go to settings. Go to private. Go to privacy. After you come to privacy, tap on this last seen and online. So make it to only my contacts. So tap on this back arrow. Scroll to down and tap on this profile. So make it to only my contacts. Tap on this back arrow again. So for now, as you can see now, I limited this section. Only my contact can be able now to see my last seen and online, and only my contact can be able to see my profile on WhatsApp. So for the call, all you have to do, just go back again. So if you receive any message or any video call from unknown number, all you have to do, just go and open the call or message. So as you can see, let's say I don't know this person and he just messaged me. So if I want to just stop calling me or just stop messaging me, all I have to do, just tap on this three dot, tap on this block. All I have to do, just to block the person individually. So tap on this spam or tap on this no others, tap on this block. So now by blocking this person, now I can be able now to receive any call or message from him. You can do that individually. So for now, there is no any option to just stop receiving messages or stop receiving call from unknown number, but you can do it individually by blocking the person. That's it guys for today's video. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.